Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. So in this video I'm going to show you a recipe based on asparagus. Now asparagus are very seasonal here, and it's that time of the year that it's the end of spring and the beginning of summer where the asparagus is at its best. So today we're going to do a recipe based on green asparagus.
Asparagus is one of my favorite vegetables, and in the next whole month I'm going to showcase a few asparagus recipes. So in today's video we're going to do a green asparagus soup. The first thing you need to do is chop some garlic, then take the bottoms off your asparagus and dice your asparagus. This will help your asparagus cook faster. Cut and dice an onion. Put your onion into a pan or a pot, add the garlic and saute till your onions are nice and soft. Next, add in your green asparagus. Saute for about a minute to 2 minutes and then add in your vegetable stock. So I used the bottoms of the asparagus and the leftovers of some vegetables to make a nice stock. Do not season your stock at this moment. Cook your asparagus till it's a nice soft texture. You need that beautiful green color. Add it into a food processor or a blender and give it a nice blend. At this stage you could add in a bit of herbs like basil or parsley. Add it back into your pan and gently heat it up so it doesn't lose the color. Season with some salt and we're ready to plate. Into a soup bowl with my asparagus soup, a nice dollop of mascarpone, some asparagus tips, a salted egg yolk, this is optional, and some crushed black pepper. And there you have it, a beautiful, seasonal, velvety smooth asparagus soup. As always, the recipe will be in the description box below. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this beautiful, creamy, velvety, smooth asparagus soup. Till next time, I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. This is me signing off. Bon appetit.